Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I'll get down and get straight to the point. I do pre-purchase inspections, and just like a parent, your child is telling you a story just by the behavior, even when they become adults. I'm also a computer technician, and I also look at the behavior of the computers and what it's doing versus what the person is saying. So make a long story short, I look at cars. Any cars that had over 100,000 miles, it is going to burn oil inside the engine. You're not going to see it leaking unless you have leaks. That's obvious. But 9 times out of 10, if you want to know the condition of your engine, all you have to do is put your key in, warm your car up to operating temperature like this one is. I've already warmed the car up because I'm sitting here all day. Turn the vehicle completely off. Come to your oil stick, and this works for any vehicle on the face of this earth. You take the oil stick off, oil cap off. You're going to see a little bit of white smoke coming out. That's normal. But if this looks like somebody smoking a cigarette or smoking a cigar, or there's some kind of fire going on, and you got all this smoke coming out, you are burning inside the engine, the oil inside the engine. The engine is wore out. A lot of people do not know this. So if your vehicle is burning oil, $20 for a gallon of oil every time you change your every time you check your oil, every time you put gas in your vehicle, check your oil. Keep oil in your car. $20 versus a $5,000 to $10,000 engine. You let me know if you want to go ahead and pay all these high interests and all that great stuff, go ahead and buy yourself a new vehicle. But until then, if you want to keep on driving till the wheels fall off, you want it to last a lot longer, this is all vehicles. Doesn't matter what make, year, and model. If it has over 100,000 miles, check this area. Just pull your oil cap off after the car is heated up. You should barely see anything coming out. This one has barely anything coming out. That's a little bit in there, but if it's just obvious, you're burning oil. Keep your oil checked every single time every time you put gas in your car. No exceptions. You do not want to lose your engine. If you have a vehicle that has a GDI engine in it, or if you have an engine that has EcoTech or EcoBoost, you will never get away with letting the engine oil get low or not changing it every 3,000 miles. You will literally destroy that engine. I have made numerous videos about that. Check your oil. Also, oil is supposed to be transparent. It's not supposed to be all dirty and stuff all inside of it. This one's transparent. I'm the one to change it myself. I put synthetic in here twice a year, but I still make sure I have the customers to check their oil. When I work on a vehicle, I always check the oil 95% of the time. They don't even know they don't even have any oil in their car, or it's very low. Very extremely important. This is the lifeblood of your vehicle. Also, your tailpipe, you got a whole bunch of smoke coming out. You're burning oil inside the engine. With that being said, it speaks for itself. If you don't want to do it, have somebody do it for you. If you have a whole bunch of money thrown around, just to go ahead and ignore it. I care about you guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you find any benefit to this video in any shape from a way, hit that super thanks button. And if you want to see the video 3 to 5 days earlier than anybody else, just hit that join button. Also, a lot of the stuff that I use inside, that's going to be in the description. I have a store. You can click on my store. You can buy the stuff and the products that I actually physically use that I know that actually works. Not this hocus pocus, he say, she say crap. I've been doing this since 1992, so I'm only going to give you the facts and be straight to the point because I care about you guys. Thank you.